when I dey call Edu.
My own name never change na Anyodino to be lover.
Today we wan talk drum. How they take and make war, start war. They carry drum, they follow warrior to war. How they take carry drum, they welcome warrior from war. Now you want to talk today. Maybe we start like this. When war won't start, now drum,
yes.
they go drum.
Now drum.
Say, make una listen well. Say, village A and village B.
Yes.
Won't do anything. Won't go to war. So go come take drum talk. Say. So, village go take drum talk say if dem born una well, yes. Make una come meet us for 3 foot path. This one wey dey go take me drum talk say if dem born una papa well, make una come meet us for village square. So na so the thing be. This drum go talk im own, this one go talk im own. Shey una see am when they come talk the drum language for war finish. The warrior for this side, the warrior for this
from
side,
village.
they come to do it. They come.
Yes,
they come to come.
Yes,
when they come meet, they will come talk. When they talk finish, they come talk say, okay, if na true say in a papa wey born for that village, is I get power pass our own, no una cross this line.
When I cross this boundary.
As they cross line like this, war start. Now so they come play the drum. We won't play now. So for Africa, now war, now drum, they take announce war. Say war won't start to make if you dey house, stay for house. So if you dey market, sleep for market. If you dey farm, just find place, make you hide yourself. Because waiting, war just start. And when the war start, drummers go dey one side.
Yes.
Go dey drum the drum. What we say? The warriors say they go dey
charge.
Charge. What they say? Anything will happen, make it happen today. As they drum, tell them. Now I will do one thing now. I will tell drum talk. I will call tell them anything the drum they talk. Why the warriors they do it? They charge.
Yes. Say ilé wọn náà nù ní ilé àbẹ̀rẹ̀wọ̀ bí ilé èkúté ilé wọn náà nù ní it dey abuse people say see their house it be like rat house. Now come and say my house my house no we come play like this. Tòun tèṣù lẹ́lẹ́jọ́ alágbá tó dúró sórí èṣù tòun tèṣù lẹ́jọ́ the drum language mean say na you wey go stand on top of èṣù devil that
maybe that day they call èṣù na two go take fight now.
Yes,
me
you don go for trouble of dieting.
Me and the word equate start. Then when they kill themselves, they mime, they pursue themselves, they show you see am now. So I say for Africa, drum is dey play plenty
role. Yes.
How you take say am?
Na so my brother, you be like say you don't even know the talk and sing, but I don dey see say you be like say you sef you don't be worry. You be like say you don fight before.
Well, don dey talk of Kunrunmi, I follow dem fight Ogun Kunrunmi, Ogun Afonja, Ogun plenty more than don't be small thing o.
Na so.
I fight well.
Na so.
I fight well. When we say, in fact, when the fight start, every day they call warrior,
Olori Ogun.
Na so. So our people no go say am pass like this today. For African, they use drum for plenty things, but for today, na war. Now you take drum talk say drum dey follow warrior go war, e dey follow them come back.
So
before we go, make we knack una another war drums.